we kept adding mechanics. Um, energy leeching was always there, but the hover gear was always there too. But then we added some other features, such as hanging to the ceiling, or jammer effect, which you block the enemy's line of sight for a few seconds. So those are the features we added later on.
There has been many different ideas, and in process of making, we kind of chose the important part and like cut out the various other small features, so it's been reduced a lot.
In the beginning of pre-production, we were looking at like 4 different core features, but once we were done with pre-production, we got our feedback. We realized that we didn't need 4. We just had to work with 2 of the 4 features that we had, and we had to make sure that the 2 features that we have, we built them strong enough to build the whole game based on those 2 core features.
Core of our game, it's still a stealth game. You still steal energy from enemies, but a lot of the much lower level stuff has changed, such as now the jetpack, hover gear, whatever term we're using this week, no longer actually drains the energy you've stolen, because that was a little bit weird psychologically that you were spending your hard-earned progression. The jetpack itself becomes more powerful, allowing you to advance further, doing it sort of like that. We dropped 2 of our mechanics, being a ceiling hang sort of thing, think Splinter Cell, and a EMP-like weapon we had to disable the guard's line of sight. They both felt tacked on, and it felt like it was sort of drawing our focus away from our core, which is stealth, something we needed to focus a lot more on.
The instructors have been amazing at giving us feedback. Every week they would meet with us, and they would ask us to pitch our game again and again until they felt that the idea or the pitch was satisfactory and that we would be able to make the game.
Lots of the instructor came to us and view our design and comment on how to make the games more fun and more feasible in a way that we can actually get this done on time. So that was real helpful.
Every time we had a problem, we would just go to them and they would give us solutions to our problems immediately. That was amazing, and it was like they were always there for us, and they still are.
We had meetings every Monday, and the meetings, the instructors attending the meetings changed every week according to our needs. So at the beginning, we for instance, in the meeting, we have our project design instructors, and also we had our arts instructor with us, so that when we go to those meetings and when we update our instructors about, we were getting help from various aspects of the game. The artists in our team were talking to our arts instructor, and programmer was talking to our programming instructors. So we got a lot of help in that sense.
But they gave us points and tricks and hints so that we could follow through each and every step of game design correctly, and we wouldn't wander off. So I would say overall the instructors and the mentors at school were just amazing.
It's provided a very desperately needed sanity check. If ever we've sort of gotten, a little bit out of line, like, okay, we're gonna try and solve the issues with our stealth mechanics by tacking on even more stuff outside of, outside of just stealth. It's like, no, you should probably be fixing the stealth by focusing on the stealth.